What's up, Campfire Garage? This is Eric. Decided to do something a little bit different. I'm stuck out in a deployed location that I can't really talk about, but I've been having a lot of questions and some issues and whatnot with people, like just not understanding my state of mind and like why I'm angry all the time and like what it is. So I figured I'd try to do a couple of little vlogs here and there when I can, just to give you guys kind of a perspective of the day-to-day and kind of some of the stupid shit we go through. So here's number one. Getting ready to go shower, which means I have to, the sun is terrible, there we go, means I have to drive over to another place that has a shower unit, which isn't always easy because we don't have that many vehicles and we have to share them. So some days you just don't get a shower if your timing isn't right and whatever. The good thing about being able to go over here is that they have actual porcelain shitters, so you get an actual bathroom if you need to go to the restroom. Why that matters: we have about 15 to 20 dudes at any given time at our site, and we have 3 porta shitters. It's also freezing fucking cold out here, so what they're doing is they're not able to suck the shit out of it, like the blue water and where you shit. So they just keep putting more in it, and it freezes to the point that now it's like pretty much going to tickle your butthole if you try to use the restroom. So it's pretty awesome. But over here they actually have real running water and toilets, so that's pretty amazing. But it's about, I don't know, about a half a mile, so not very long of a drive for us, some of us. Some of the other ones have to go to the clear other side, which is about 10 to 15 minute drive. So you got to factor in 10 to 15 minutes to drive over there, 5 to 10 minute shower if you're lucky, and then 10 to 15 minutes to come back. That's a fucking like 45 minute ordeal just to take a fucking shower. Like, that's stupid. That's super aggravating. For me, I just have to drive over here to this place for now and go through a security checkpoint and do all that bullshit, which makes my badge. And then I get to go to the shower trailer. So, I don't know, just gonna try and do some little videos and put them together so people kind of get an idea of what we're dealing with. Also, the roads are absolute shit. I'll try to show you that on the way back because I'm almost there, but it's pretty much pure ice. Like, it snowed and then it just got packed and then it froze. So we're just driving on pure ice. And it's bumpy as shit. It's terrible. Miserable. But I'm going to sign out for now, and I'll hit you up in a little bit. Alright guys, we are back. I just got done showering, and I hit the fucking jackpot today, which is super rare. Definitely something I needed today, so I'm happy. But what I mean by that is, when I got over here, so I took a couple of pictures. I was lucky to be able to do that, but I got a couple of pictures so you guys can see. So it's basically a trailer, like a single wide trailer that has 5 shower stalls in it, 3 sinks, and a bench. It's not very big at all. By the jackpot, what I mean is, when I walked in, there was one guy in there, and he was finishing up. So when he finished and left, I was alone, and no one else came in the entire time I was there. So I got to shower by myself in a little bit of privacy, which is super rare. Normally you've got like 3 other dudes in there, and you're trying to squeeze by each other, and it's really fucking stupid. I mean, these things are like smaller than like locker room showers and stuff. Like, they're tiny. Like, even when you're in the shower, you can't really wash because you can't move. You're touching the sides. It's fucking annoying. But yeah, I got lucky. There was no one there for my entire session, and then I had actually pretty decent water. Wasn't scorching hot, but it wasn't lukewarm either, so that's a win. Like, that's not very rare, or that's not very common. Typically, I think we run on like a 55-gallon water heater, so you can imagine with the volume of people that are trying to use 5 stalls to shower, that thing is overworked and not always warm. So I'm heading back now. I'm going to cut out so I can change views, and then you guys can see the roads that we're working with. It's fantastic. Those are my roads. I don't know what happened here where it's wet. Like, I don't know if they tried to scrape it or something, but it made it worse. But that's pretty much pure ice right now. Today is actually a rather warm day, so that means all this shit's gonna start melting and then it's gonna refreeze tonight. So it's gonna be even bumpier and fucking really weird and awkward. Just lost the ass end. It's so fun. Like, this is actually the only enjoyable kind of part of my day. And it sucks dick. Now I'm almost back to my site. And I will try to get some pictures of our porta shitters later so you guys can see how awesome that is. Yeah, man. Alright, see you later. Bye.